Google's so-called smart contact lens is reportedly going to be ready for the market before 2019. The contact lens, which has been under the Google X team, can measure blood glucose levels in diabetics. It does so by analyzing their tears. According to reports, Google has recently filed a patent which details several designs of how the smart contact lens could be made. This indicates that the company may be closer to production than earlier imagined. The search giant has announced last year that it was working on this project. The smart contact lens could replace the existing blood tests that diabetics currently require in order to measure blood glucose levels. Although the acceptance and accuracy of the technology can only be gauged once it is actually in the market.